This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Uh-oh. Well, why isn't that working? Hold on. There we go. There we go. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday evening. Hope everyone had a great day, ready for a great evening. I need to get a whole bunch of stuff set up because once again, I'm running late. I'll blame the Discord server this time because, so I need to get the chat set up and everything here. So give me a minute. Please hold for the next available operator. Hey, Hassan, I'd expect nothing less from you, my friend. Well, Hassan, you should be happy. You've been telling me I need to give ETF a second chance, and it looks like that's going to happen. He and I are going to be chatting later this week. Okay. Give me a second. I got to get my social media out. Yeah, I was surprised too. I woke up from a nap and I saw saw a message there. I was like, wow. So, okay. Give me here. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, I still haven't got my social media out. Give me 1 minute because I like wasn't prepared. You just want chaos, don't you, Hassan? I'm not, regardless of the fact that, I've done the Lilu video and all that, I'm not a fan of drama. I don't like the idea of anything that could tear the server up. Okay, message sent out on Twitter. I guess that's all I'm going to do. Okay, so let's look at the markets. Today we dropped. We fell. Tried to bounce in the afternoon, but falling again here now. 20 points in the first hour. Copper. Straight gold. Still healthy above 2270. Big drop on the Ultra Bond today, and crude oil had a nice rise. So that's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take. we're sideways here as we expect. I need to get my charts ready. I'm still okay. Blusky's still ready to go. So good going. Okay, so maybe we can read now. Natural gas. I have natural gas up on a chart. I have the other oil type stuff down here, but I don't like actually look at it. Sorry. These always have huge spreads usually. Kind of just choppy here. I want to thank everyone for joining me tonight. Please, if you're thinking you're going to enjoy the stream, gore that like button. Let YouTube know you like it. If you haven't checked out my Earn the Trade video, you should. It's out. Throughout today. You can wait till after the stream, though. Oh. RB, okay. So it's here somewhere. So this one? Yeah, I've looked at them before, and I mean, they move. They look like they move pretty good. I mean, and tick value, I guess move up. Whoop, is 335 ticks at 420 a tick. So that's almost a $1,500 move this morning. Don't they have like huge spreads usually? I mean, it was heating oil that I used to lose like $3,000 that time I went over consistency. Pushing back down in there. We have any news tonight? News tonight. News tonight. We had South Korean CPI a few minutes ago. Other than that, there's really RBA meeting minutes. We're up at 8:30 Eastern. I'm sure their spread right now is astronomical. Let's see if I can find out. Let's see here. Let me bring up Apex. Apex gives me accurate spreads. If I can find NinjaTrader. There it is. I mean, I'm almost sure right now it's going to have a tremendous spread. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, I just screwed up my NinjaTrader chart. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Right now, oh wow. Okay, so you definitely don't want to trade in the evening because there's nothing on the bid right now. I've traded hogs a few times. I like hogs. There we go. Now it's so right now you have an 11 tick spread, but during the day it's probably better. A little bop up, bop. I don't know. Right now we're not moving at all. Wow, our ATR is 1. And that's on a, yeah. Let's see what we get. I might need to go to a 1-minute chart for right now. Let's see. That's looking a little better. I don't think I've ever traded cattle, but yeah, I actually have hogs up here somewhere. Here? Where my hogs are? Yeah, there's my lean hogs. Feel free to join us in the chat, anyone that's out there. Hey, Nico, how you doing? Just hanging out, no trading, or are you looking for opportunities? Right now, this doesn't look it doesn't look like there's much here. Right now, nothing. Hopefully, we'll get some good moves later. Let's see here from the open. This is a 1-minute chart. Normally, I'm on 32nd. I mean, it seems like in that first hour, there's always decent moves. I maybe have to start looking at that better. See, it went from here from 489 down to 472. About 15 points. Nothing to write home about, but nothing bad either. I need to change that blue sky banner back to 25%. I have to be watching my radar when I'm under a tornado watch. And we got some stuff a popping. Watching the radar, watching the. This is this complete chop right now. I just know that I'm going to find a great trade, and that's when the tornado is going to come ripping through. In front of my computer. No, I'm in Central Illinois, Decatur, Illinois. We're just kind of bopping here. Okay. Are you supposed to get like wintry weather at all this week? Like they're saying that we could get. It's like it was 70 here yesterday, and we could have snow showers on Wednesday. Can't trust any of these candles right now. Just kind of popping. Oh, really? Interesting. Like the bottom drops out for us on Wednesday. It's like Wednesday, our high is only 41, and drops down to 33 that night with the chance of snow showers. Oh wow, they went 2 to 3 inches of rain overnight now. And there's the pop I was hoping for. I just didn't trust that blue candle, but you can actually see the last two blue candles would have worked. Just I had trouble trusting it when it's just not moving at all. How's everybody else doing out there? Patience is a virtue. What asset are you looking to trade, Hassan? It's kind of chilling. All right. Algo stuff work okay in the low volume area? Hey T.O., haven't seen you in a little bit. How you doing? There's NKD. Last night the NKD made this beautiful move. Tonight it's doing nothing. Cool. How are things going, my friend T.O.? Doing pretty good. You missed it this morning, T.O. Sid stopped in for a bit. Yeah, he says he's gonna be hit and miss because he's not full-time trading right now. Just working the farm today. He was going to go buy some more pigs. He asked that everybody. He has a Facebook page now for the Chase Family Farm. He asked if everybody would go and give it a like. Nice little drop there from 80. I could have gotten my 5 there. Could have gotten the 5. Popping up a little bit again. I never did get Asia tested, like back tested to see what works and what doesn't. All right, enjoy your meal, Hassan. Ooh, big drop. Where'd that come from? Up, down, up, whoosh, whoosh. Continuing the whoosh. Nice bounce there. Again, I really need to find I mean, I think my strategy works here, but in Asia, but I just haven't tested it to have the feel for it. I need to do that, but there's like 20,000 other things on my to-do list as well. Hey, Glasgow. In order to say how to set your stop losses, I need to know like how big of a target you have and what asset you're trading. Nice little pop. Okay. And how do you set your stops now and your target or your targets? So you're aiming for 10 points on NQ? Is it okay? I well, where do you normally? Uh, 10 points now will probably be too much. 10 points during the day isn't too much, at least not in my opinion. Um, so okay, explain to me how you set your stop, because honestly, this is something I'm not great at either. I mean, if we want my examples of what I try to do, if we go back to some place that's not slow as snot, I went back too far. You know, like say I would take this blue candle here. You know, my ATR there is, it says 13, so I would probably shoot for 10 there. You know, but I could actually have done 15, but 10 there, and then my stop would have been below, right at the bottom of that trigger, that blue candle. So about a 10 point. So that's like almost a 1-to-1. Now I prefer better than 1-to-1, but you know, 1-to-1 can work if your win percentage is high. It's I don't know what your win percentage is, so you gotta, that's the other thing to think about is, is if your win percentage is good, you can get away with 1-to-1. But if it's not, then you're gonna need something that's more 1.5-to-1 or 2-to-1. So here, this is Asia. So I'm never gonna go for anything less than 5. I don't think usually. And this would have been, if I put it down the wick, like 4.25, and will it get 5? Kind of looks like it might not. Yeah, here the ATR is like 3, less than 3, so that would have got if I had taken the trade. Yeah, there's 3. I really like to go for 5, but right now it's not giving 5, so I do use NinjaTrader. I mean, it's not the one I use most. I have Apex up on NinjaTrader. Yeah, that's what I don't like less than 5. Although if you're trading, this time of night, it's oh yeah, and M and Q definitely. Because at M and Q, anything less than 5, your commissions are really eating it up. How you been doing, how you been doing, Rad? You passed the Bulenox but had a bad day. So wait, you had a bad day on your funded, or okay? That's about the time I start to stream. How bad of a day is a bad day? Popping back down. Oh, uh, Have you gone down the micros, Glasgow? Ooh, that was a bad fill. So, do you know what happened today? Were you just getting stopped out before and then it went your way, or? See, right now this is going all of 4 ticks on for me. Ah, the revenge trading is the major problem there. Do you think that's something you can correct and not do again? Look at that. Look at that. We're out. I didn't realize I had I have a 10-point target on there instead of 5, so I got out. I would have hit my 10-point, my 5-point. There it goes, a nice win. So we have a very good trader. He's look at it, still dropping. Um, there's a very good trader. He's not here right now, but he's excellent trader. His name's Sid Chase. He's a multimillionaire from various things, not just trading. But what he does is after each trade, win or loss, he'll get up and he'll walk around it and do something else, or just pace, walk around, whatever, take a 5-minute break. That way it clears the overly happy or overly aggressive emotions. Then he'll sit back down and look for another trade. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to hit the mic. So maybe that's a suggestion. It might help you. I don't know. That way you're kind of letting those emotions just, clear a little bit. That was a nice move. I could have went for the 10. I would have got the 10 there. It can get out of hand quick, and it's happened to everybody. So I mean, you're not the only one it happens to. So that's something that can help. You're very welcome. That's what the MightyOx trading community is all about. We try to help each other. Hey, Speed Racer, how are you doing? Little blue candle after that big move down. Little blue candle from Pasadena. Dow falling hard. Russell's falling. So remember, guys, if you're not part of the Discord, you should be. On the Discord to celebrate hitting 500 members. We're giving away a Blusky static growth account. You should, if you're not a member, you should go in there, become one, and then enter the giveaway. If you are a member and haven't entered the giveaway, you should go do that. Winner will be picked Wednesday night. No, I think more like 10 o'clock. It's because that's when I set it up, and I didn't know how to set the time. I just was kind of guessing at it. I'm assuming it picks the winner by itself, but if not, I'll have to figure that out too. Kind of the blind leading the blind with me and the bot. I'm We have 77 entries in that giveaway. It's pretty good for a 550 member server. Sideways here as we head 15 minutes to Tokyo and Seoul opening. We're still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Our low over from the earlier session, 414. We're at 460 now. Watching my radar, making sure no tornadoes sneak up on me. Nice little pop. And by little, I mean it's 5 points actually. It's kind of moving better now. Our ATR is up above 3 now. My Apex code is. Give me a second on that because they don't allow me to customize my code, and I don't memorize it. Boop. Pasting it in the chat because it's confusing. HBIAAPLY. And thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And folks, if you're enjoying tonight's, I guess I should say, this evening stream, please gore that like button. Let YouTube know you like it. You very like it. I don't know if they'll let me. I mean, I guess I could contact them and see if they would. I know CFTs is customized, but I'm not sure if they offer that for everybody. So we curled back up to 466. Hey, Crypticon, how are you doing? I'll send a request in and see if I can get it customized. Vertical bands? Oh, they're okay. King Andre. Am I pronouncing that right? If I'm not, please correct me. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Are you trading tonight, Crypt? Hey, Gold's made a nice move down. Sorry, I got silent there, guys. I was responding to somebody on Discord. Nice little pop there on YM. How you doing tonight, King? I know I won't mess up that name. We're kind of not moving at all. 5 minutes until Tokyo and Seoul open. How's your weather up there, Crypt? Nice little. I mean, we went down from 58 up to 71, so about 13 points. Kind of sits there. We're in a bit of a boring phase as we wait for Tokyo to open. Sitting there, sitting. Boring right now. I have a baseball game all in the background on my second monitor. Phillies are winning 2-0. Sitting there, doing absolutely nothing. It hasn't really moved more than a tick. I'm watching it on MLB TV. Correct. For that matter, I could watch. With Comcast, I can watch everything on the computer. MLB TV is not free, but for me it is because I'm a T-Mobile customer. No, we really haven't, Hassan. There's the top of the hour. Yeah, that's why. I mean, I have no problem. I like T-Mobile overall, but that's the main reason I decided to go with T-Mobile when I did go with them. I mean, kind of. Not, I can't say that. I was actually a Sprint customer and got T-Mobile once T-Mobile bought them out. Pulling down here a little bit by 3 points here at the Open of Tokyo. Now remember, last night when Tokyo opened, it started to move down. Yeah, with me being a Phillies fan and living in Central Illinois, it's a nice perk because it's the only way I'll get to see Philly games unless they were playing the White Sox, the Cubs, or the St. Louis Cardinals. I think it wants to push down here. 7-point move down. Can it continue down from there? Okay. Bouncing back up. uh, nice job, Crypt. Curls back up that almost that entire length of that purple candle. Sitting here waiting for something to go. Do you have a win tonight? 'Where we're gonna go from here, guys? Back down. 18,466 is where we're sitting. Tio, I've top I've talked to her on Discord just a little bit ago. Oh, there's Kim. That was weird, Tio. That was really weird. Yes, Tio, I have. Bouncing off our bands there, 464. Try to talk things into existence now, are you, Tio? It's good to see you, Kim. Evening streams are better when I see your name. What are we waiting for, Tio? Pushing down hard. Falling, falling, falling. Not afraid of falling. I did that one. Blue candle bounce. Well, that's a good thing to use your powers for, Tio. Chris, that first of all, don't be discouraged by the struggles. Most people struggle. The the people that pass a prop firm, exam or eval, whatever, is about 20%, and ones that actually take a payout is less than that. That said, it can be done, and lots of people have proven it can be done, but it takes persistence and it takes patience. Yeah, I got a thunderstorm heading my way too, Crypt. And St. Louis is under a tornado warning. Um, Chris, where do you feel you're struggling at? Do you know or understand where your issues are? Another nice blue candle. Let's see. We might actually take that. V might. Let's see. So, do you feel like you have an issue psychologically once you're trading with a funded account? Okay, so I'm going to give you advice I gave someone else earlier that actually comes from a great trader that is part of the community. He's busy right now, so he hasn't been here much, but a guy by the name of Sid Chase. He says whenever he takes a trade, once that trade is done, whether it's a win or a loss, he'll get up and he'll walk around the room or just do something else quickly for 5 minutes, and that lets his emotions calm down. If it was a bad trade, it lets his emotions calm down if it was a good trade, so he doesn't like get euphoria. And you come back and you're somewhat fresh of mind, so the emotions aren't just boiled up. So maybe that's something that could help you. That's what he does. Stopped out on that trade. But yeah, definitely don't feel that you're alone on this, Chris. And but also don't feel like it can't get better. I'll give you two examples um, from the Discord community. Uh, Chef and Justin Eck, both admins there. Um, both of them, as of like a year ago, they'll be blowing multiple accounts a week, whether it's evals or getting funded and blowing the funded. And it was, like I said, multiple accounts a week that they would blow. And now both of them, I mean, Justin's probably taken $20,000-$30,000 in payouts already this year. If I add them all up, I haven't added them all up, but so it's a rough guess. And I know Chef's taking payouts regularly too. I don't know how much, but both those guys turned it around from. I know Chef was very close to quitting, And now, like I said, he's taking payouts regularly. So you just got to hang in there. You figure out, what you need to do to make the changes, and just, be persistent. Hey, John, how you doing? Excuse me 1 second. Back. Yep. The Reds just tied it up. Nice job, Crypticon. So yeah, just stick with it, Chris. Be happy to try and help you along, provide support if we can. That's what this community is all about. We're not really doing much of anything here. We had that nice little move down, but now we're sideways again. Yeah, I got the smaller version. Only thing that sucks is they're not microwavable. I have another store set up with more items. I just need to make it look good. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. Doing nothing. Well, yeah. You can see here, they go to scene. This is the other store that I'm working on. You can see got more stuff. I need to change that mug doesn't show the actual thing, but tote bags and notebooks and mugs and hats and sweatshirts and hoodies and stickers and masks and phone cases and stainless steel water bottle, pint glass, youth shirts, long sleeve tees. But the store looks like crap. I can't figure out how to change this. This is how it looks. I need to figure out how to make that look different. I thought about I need to make a cushion, a pillow, and I have the words on a drawdown cushion. An Ox bobblehead would be awesome. I collect Phillies bobbleheads. Nice. Oh yeah, big spike there in gold. How about how about the algo, John? And that new store actually has better shipping prices. Excellent, John. And there's a nice little bounce up. Nice. So where are you sitting now on the other algo? I mean, that algo. Is it getting close to the 9K you need or whatever it was that you needed? Yeah, I was gonna say the movement here is so small, not like last night. Of course, starting to think I should stream Sunday nights. All right, John. Still trying to do too much at once and end up making mistakes. Sitting at 462. Like I say, we haven't really gone for at all. Okay, I got you. I got you. Just didn't want to have to see you have to grow another arm to be able to trade them all. That would be weird. I wouldn't say he's happy with it yet. It's been giving him fits, and it's now as he was going to kick it to the curb, it started doing well again. Yeah, he just needs to threaten to fire it, and it starts doing well. Not much different than a lot of human workers. Continues to push up here a little bit. You see the bounce from 58 up to 69, over 10. Nice rise. Nice move. Trying to get above this resistance here. Excellent, Theo. What are you trading now? I forget. I should write this stuff down. Yeah. Sorry, Theo. I should have been more clear. I meant firm. There you go. Tio, okay, yeah. Topstep, good. Regular Topstep or Topstep X, Tio? Pulls back. There you go. Just wait till they renew at the $4.50 amount. All those $4.50 accounts has been eating into my affiliate earnings with Topstep. It's down about half since like December. Slightly red, Tio. Right. I get 90 cents every time someone does the $4.50 versus $9.80 versus a regular 50K. Nice drop here. Got up to 73 half, down to 64 half. X has been having issues. They ended up erasing my losses on evals. I'm doing a couple more evals as well. Last week on Wednesday and Thursday because it was having some serious lag issues. Has not been as robust as more people are going on it. So they're going to have to fix that. Continuing to fall. Wait, they failed you when you were deep green? What happened? Bounce here on the blue candle. So, nice, decent move up and back down. I'm just not trusting it. I got to start trusting things in Asia more. These streams get boring. And I apologize for that. That's weird, Tio. I appreciate that, Kim. Sitting here at 466. I have about 20 minutes left to go in the stream. It'd be nice to get one more trade, but I won't force it. Yeah, I know the P&L freezing what was going on last week. Definitely. Yeah, they need to up their support. They used to have great support. They need to catch up again. Excuse me while I check my radar. There are thunderstorms and tornadoes and all that fun stuff around. I've lost myself on the map. Crap. There's Peoria. There I am. Okay, we're still good. Yeah, I just can't. I mean, I like that purple candle, but can't trust it. Can't trust it. Da 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 da. So let's see. Tomorrow, news. What do we have for news-wise tomorrow? Oh, we got the U.S. JOLTS job openings report and U.S. factory orders. Oh wow! And then a parade of Fed speakers later in the day. Yeah. So that's why good I didn't trust that purple candle, because it would have betrayed me. They're sitting here below that EMA. Gold, nice pop up there, as Crypticon said earlier. Russell's popping up nicely, it looks like. Can't really see it because it's all scrunched together over there, but trust me on it. Really? What was it, Tio? I didn't shake any. I didn't make any changes. Just kind of sitting here. I don't know if we're going to get anything in this last 15 minutes, but we shall try. Bup, 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 bup. Boring, 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 boring. Remember, folks, I posted a video today about Earn to Trade's recent trader-friendly changes and why I think it's still not enough for them to be considered a first-class firm. Yeah, once things are really rolling, watch me. I will find someone that'll make a bobblehead. Sure, they're out there. Yeah, I'm sure Earn the Trade's not happy with my video. Apparently, you can get personalized bobbleheads on Amazon. Oh, look at this. bbobbler.com. You can get custom bobbleheads from a pitcher. I'm not putting my big head on a bobblehead. So I do thank everyone for joining me tonight on this boring night. We got about 10 minutes to go. Promise you, we were trying to figure out a way to liven up these streams in the evenings. And that's what happens when you sleep in. The early traders get the chase. Sitting there, 868, not going anywhere. Still watching my radar. Yeah, the John, the link has the code built right in it. If you just click on the link, it has the coupon code built right in. Yeah. I appreciate that, John. I had a record month in March for Apex and for Bulenox, and a record month overall. Bulenox was absolutely just amazing. Yeah, my funded futures actually came in fourth for me this month. For March. I mean, um, which that they were seventh the prior month. And there's a good chance that we'll be adding elite trader funding back into the fold. Well, the rep came on my server today, and we set that we're gonna chat later this week to try and bury the hatchet from the issues from last year. We're back above that EMA there, but it keeps trying to push back down. Yeah, I I agree with that. I took a nap today after the bell, and I woke up to a message of him on my Discord. I'm like, that really him? Because there's so many fakes, and I'm like, I was trying to verify it was actually him. Pulls back here a little bit. All of 3 points so far. Phillies have 2 on, 1 out, in bottom of the 8th. Idiots. Rojas just got picked off. Anyway, pull one down. Kind of sitting there. Well, we're just about the top of the hour. So we have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Sorry, it was kind of boring. I need to figure out. I mean, there were opportunities I didn't take. I need to get more data on evening streams to trade these slower markets, and I'm going to. I just need to figure out how to stay awake for about 96 straight hours so I can get everything done I need to get done. No. But seriously, next evening stream will be Wednesday night. Next morning stream is tomorrow morning. Hope you join me for one of those. I want to thank everyone for being here. We'll see you next time. Bye. Have a great night. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.